Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. So in the last video, we completed our project setup. We created folder, HTML file and CSS file. And today we are going to create something very important, navigation bar. Every website you visit like YouTube, Amazon, Flipkart, the first thing you see is the nav bar. So if your nav bar look good, your whole website look professional. Now I'm inside the index.html file and let's start building our nav bar step by step. Inside the body tag, I am creating my nav bar. Let's understand. I'm using nav tag for navigation bar. Here, adding my logo using heading tag. I'm giving it class. Class is logo, my website. I'm creating a list using UL tag. UL, LI, and inside that I'm adding menu item using LI tag. First is home. Second is about. Now I'm adding services. And last is the contact. Contact. Every LI tag represent one menu item in the nav bar. Save, open with live server. See here, this is a simple nav bar. Now our HTML structure is ready. Let's style it using CSS. Now I will go to CSS and start styling this nav bar. First, I am removing default browser spacing, margin. Link this CSS file inside the head. Link style.css. Back to CSS. Margin 0, padding 0. Then I'm adding box sizing, border box. This is a very important in every project. Now I'm styling nav bar. Display flex, justify content, space between, align item, center. I'm adding background color, black. I'm adding padding, 15 pixel, 50 pixel. Now I'm using Flexbox to align logo and menu in a one line. Let's start logo styling. Dot logo. Color white. This is my logo styling. Style UL tag. I removed bullet points using list style, list style, none, display flex. Now style UL and LI. Margin left 25 pixel. Now style UL, LI and anchor tag. Text decoration none. Text decoration none. I remove underline from links and color is white. Now I'm adding hover effect. Styling ULLIA hover. Color is when user move mouse color will change. This makes website more interactive. Save, see, output, home, about. So guys, today we created our navbar, HTML structure, menu items, CSS styling, flexbox alignment, hover effect. In the next video, we will create hero section, which is the main part of every website. If you are learning from this series, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't just watch code with me because coding is a skill and skill improves only with practice. See you in the next video.